In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Amazon gift card order, a process that can seem straightforward, but has a few surprising twists and turns depending on the type of card and your location. So, let's dive in and unravel this together. Amazon's policy on gift card cancellations actually varies quite a bit, so getting familiar with some of the basics is crucial. If you're dealing with a digital gift card, which is emailed to the recipient, cancellation becomes tricky once it has been delivered. Many experts, like those at TechBloat, emphasize that you usually only have the option to cancel these cards before they are sent out. Once they hit the recipient's inbox, it's generally a no-go for cancellations. For physical gift cards, there's a small window of opportunity. As long as these cards haven't been shipped, you might still have a chance to cancel. However, once they head out the door or are delivered, cancellation is typically off the table. Now, personalized gift cards are in a category of their own. Since they include custom text or designs, these orders often can't be canceled once placed because they undergo special processing to make them just right. Now, let's walk through some actionable steps you can take if you realize you need to cancel that gift card order promptly. First things first, log into your Amazon account. Once you're in, head over to that trusty section labeled Your Orders. This is where you'll find the gift card order you wish to cancel. Look closely. Do you see a Cancel Order button next to it? For digital gift cards that haven't been sent yet or physical ones that haven't shipped, you'll sometimes see this option right there. If you don't spot that elusive cancel button, there's still hope. Reach out to Amazon's customer service. You can do this through either chat or phone. When you connect with them, be prepared to have some details ready. Tell them the order date, the gift card value, and, if applicable, who it was supposed to be sent to. Clearly explain you're looking to cancel this order before it gets delivered or redeemed. Should you successfully cancel the order, a refund will typically follow. It usually goes back to the original payment method you used. For those who paid using an Amazon balance or gift card, the refund often appears quickly. However, for credit or debit card payments, you might need to wait a few business days for the refund to show up. I hope this information has been helpful and that it provides a clear path for handling Amazon gift card order cancellations. Remember, acting quickly and having all the necessary information on hand will be your best allies in this process. Thank you for tuning in today, and until next time, take care.